Hey Sean, this is Josh from Josh and Danny SEO. I'm shooting you over that video about how you can improve your online presence and see about the commercial flooring situation. So, just taking a look at your website, found this nice one, which is awesome. You got your header, you got your logo, your different services, which is great. You have a click to call as well, so you're on the right track. Then going through, once again, you talk about the different floors that you work with and how experienced and how long you've been around, which is forever. Then going through, just it's just talking about what you do, how you do it, and guarantee of excellence. So you got a decent amount on your site. I wouldn't say a ton. I'm only seeing about 500 tops words on your homepage. What Google is truly looking for nowadays is about 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage. It's the reason for that is so that you can organically place buyer intent words throughout your site. But before we get deeper into that, let's check behind the scenes about your website. So the way we do that is with Ahrefs, and this is also what I'm going to show you later about um, what commercial words or what commercial keywords you can use, or if you can use them, um, to get into the commercial scene with your website. So when we put you in putnamflooring.com, putnamflooring.com, out pops your rankings. So two things we look at are the UR and the DR rating. So the UR rating is the strength of your site. The DR rating is the trust of your website. Now, ideally, we want these both in between 30 and 40 with a ratio of about 1 to 1. That's what we call the golden ratio. And the way we get those are with strong backlinks. Now, what a backlink is any link that leads from another website or another referring domain back to yours. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. For example, a backlink from Wikipedia would be awful because Wikipedia is a very spammy site. However, a backlink from a distinguished flooring blog would be great because that is relevant to your service. And then, what organic keywords are you ranking for? What buyer intent words are you ranking for? So let's check it out. So you're only ranking for one because somehow you, or for some reason you lost Albany, New York hardwood flooring, which would have been great. But you're ranking for flooring installation Albany, New York. 50 people search for that a month. You're on about the sixth page, which is no one goes to the sixth page, unfortunately. No, hardly anyone goes to the second page. So unfortunately, that's why you're not really getting any traffic through your site. But let's check what a great just generic buyer intent word would be for Albany. Because I gotta say Fultonville has less than 800 people. There's nothing to rank for in Fultonville. You'd want to go for Albany. Um, so flooring Albany, New York. First up is going to be the GMB. Now it's super important to get on this because 30 to 40% of all people will stop right here and pick one of the three people on the top. That's just the easiest thing to do. Doesn't mean they're the best, just means that they're ranking the best. Then of course you're going to have your organic rankings. This is by strength of website. Now your top competitor is going to be Discount Flooring Supermarket. So let's check it out. So Discount Flooring Supermarket, they have their header, they have their logo, as well as a click to call, bunch of stuff about what they do and their different services, how long they've been in business, and of course, how easy it is to work with them. They don't really have too much in terms of content either, I'm going to be honest. That's something they can work on as well. However, let's check behind the scenes and see why they're number one. So put them in. As you can see, they have a strength of 29 and a trust of 1.9. But what they are doing really well are their backlinks. So they have a strong website, but not as much trust. But what's helping them really are their 734 different backlinks helping them along, as well as their ranking for 521 different organic keywords or buyer intent words. So let's check it out. So discount flooring, discount flooring, discount flooring. Yeah, no one cares. Okay, first real one, Flooring Albany. As you can see, they're in the first real position. They're getting 67 people from that. And that's something, probably Flooring Albany, New York would be the first thing put in when someone's looking for commercial work or looking, if they're looking for either subcontractor or commercial work itself, The reason I'm saying that is because there's not much in terms of commercial um, flooring, and I'll show you in a second. So, as far as commercial goes, Albany, New York, these three are the only buyer intent commercial words that I was able to find. I put in Albany, which could be any Albany. There's Albany, India, or New Albany, India, but these are all New York and Albany, Georgia. But as you can see, I put in commercial flooring, commercial floors, commercial flooring contractor, commercial floor, all of that, and still only found two. And as you can see, their volume isn't ideal. So if you're looking for the more commercial, it's probably better to rank for as far as probably better to rank like flooring Albany and then put commercial as an option on your website. So when they go to your website, as you were saying, even if there's not as much, as long as it's on your site and they go to it and they can find it, they'll know that you do the commercial work as well. But in order to get there, first things first, if you're looking to get that, we got to raise those backlinks. You have a good structure set up, but it's now, of course, getting those backlinks so that you can start raising your URDR rating. You want to beat out your competition, especially for that great buyer intent word. So, great thing is, you know where to get 734. They have that, you want 900. You can take their 734, add it to your own, and then, of course, add the other 150 to get to the 900. And that's, you should start seeing the URDR start raising, as well as you have the structure for your website. Just got to add more content. So 1,500, 2,000 words on your homepage, 5 to 750 words on your service pages, so that you can organically place those buyer intent keywords, which are super important, so that when you put them both together, you have a strong website, great buyer intent words, so that people can start finding you and seeing that little, I know you want to get commercial work, and seeing that commercial option as well once they are able to find your site. Now, I hope you found this helpful, Sean. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach back out to me. And if you can leave some feedback, that would be awesome. Happy New Year.